Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River.
Yeah, we're from Western New York. Came down yesterday and here to help out.
Older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home.
We brought a lot of equipment, but we also brought you some boots. And these boots were actually donated from a fireman, a widow of a fireman from 9/11. So these were actually somebody that was in 9/11 and they wanted to take care of you guys and make sure you guys had boots and everything you needed.
All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to
We made it, we're here, all this stuff's getting unloaded. And the very first thing is just one of these generators is gonna power a well up on the mountain that'll put water for 100 people.
country roads, take me home.
We rescued a 11-day-old baby yesterday with a civilian helicopter, with a nonprofit, and with a volunteer from the Florida State Guard, and a pilot who had never landed on the roof of the hospital before.
Please save us. Help us. Voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. I'm driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place I belong.
Girl.
West Virginia,
4, 3, 2.
Mama, take me home, country roads.
Still delivering food up here. Hey, John, Luke, Larry.
And these guys are from Birmingham, Alabama, been doing some SARS. Man, these guys been going in even where we ain't going. I told Heather I'd be safe, but